you do if you saw something crazy like this? Well, treat it just the way you would here. Multiply the top and the bottom by numbers. But when it's here, whatever you multiply by has to be something that makes sense for this area. So we multiply the bottom by 6 and the top by 6, right? So this would be 6 on the top. And then here we'd get 3, right? Plus 2, okay? So you could also resolve this just by finding out it was 5/6, right? 1 over 5/6, right? And then using that keep, change, flip, you have to do the reciprocal, top and bottom. So then this becomes 6 over 5 over 1, right? 6 over 5. That's more or less what this is, 6 over 5. So the key is that you're multiplying the same thing on the bottom as the top. So when you're doing something with letters, you're going to do the same thing. You have to multiply something that will work on all of these. So you'd multiply by x times y, and x times y up there. In this situation, the x and the y were 2 and 3. So this is 2 times 3, and this is 2 times 3. Can you see the pattern here? How? This part here could be like this. This part here could be like this. So when you multiply x times y, you'd be multiplying by those two together on the side. So that's why I've written it down like this. Here's the x plus 2, x plus 3 multiplying on the top, x plus 2, x plus 3 multiplying on each of these, right? So after you cross them out, I mean, those cross out, those cross out. Now you have x2 and, oh, sorry, those cross out. Now you have this one. And then you have the x2. So here we're adding 2. This one you multiply. And in the answer, you would find this one. So when you see something complicated like this, go back to something that you know, which is how do you handle fractions? And then step by step, put these together and see what the process is. Whatever you do to get these two looking the same, which is, multiply both sides by 6, right? So you get top and bottom by 6. You're going to multiply both sides by x plus 2 and x plus 3, which is what we've done here. See what the difference is between these two? Taken x plus 2, x plus 3, multiplied it at the top, and x plus 2, x plus 3 multiplied it on each of those, because this is a group. Good luck!